Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that feels comfortable for you. Take a nice, filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. One day, as you were playing outside, you decide to dig a hole for fun. You dig and dig and dig and can't wait to see how deep you can make it on your own. Suddenly, your shovel hits something solid. You assume it's a rock, but you clear away some of the dirt to see what you hit. It's not a rock, it's a treasure chest. Excitedly, you dig faster to get it free. You pick it up and pull it out of the hole and open it. Inside is $1 million. Not only are you going to buy some great stuff for yourself, but you also can't wait to buy some presents for the people you care about. What is a big, expensive gift you would love to buy for your parents or guardians? If you have brothers or sisters, what is something that you would like to buy for them? What is a big, expensive gift you would love to buy for your best friend? What is a super cool gift you would love to buy for your class? A charity is an organization that uses money to help animals, people, or the planet. What is a charity that you would like to donate to because they can use it to do good? Now take a moment to imagine what it would be like to give everyone these gifts. Imagine the look on their face when they see what you got for them. What if you use some of this money for the best birthday party ever? What kinds of things would you like to have at this birthday party? What would you like to include to make it unforgettable? Finally, with the rest of the money, what are 3 big gifts you would like to buy for yourself to enjoy. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.